In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and collaborate with projects in Claude AI. We'll walk through setting up a new project, adding your work to it, inviting your teammates, and collaborating in one organized space. By the end, you'll have a clean workflow where all conversations, AI outputs, and deliverables live together. Start by opening Claude and signing in. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click on Projects. Think of projects as folders that keep related chats and artifacts in one place, so you don't have to dig through separate threads to find what you need. Next, create your first project. Click New Project, give it a clear, descriptive name, something like Marketing Team Project or Q2 Launch Planning, and then click Create. A consistent naming convention helps everyone know exactly what the space is for at a glance. Now, let's add work to the project. Open an existing chat you want to keep with the project, or start a new one if you're kicking off fresh content. Look for the Add to Project option, click it, and select the project you just created. This links the conversation or artifact directly to that shared workspace. If you're moving several items, it's helpful to add them right away so the project becomes your single hub from the start. When you're ready to bring others in, open the project and click Share or Add Collaborators. Enter your teammate's work email and send the invite. Keeping invites to verified addresses helps maintain security and accountability. If your plan supports roles, choose access that matches each person's responsibilities. And remember, you can adjust or remove access later. From there, collaboration becomes simple. Teammates can view shared chats, add new chats or artifacts, and continue conversations without starting from scratch. As you iterate, everyone sees the same context, the same prompts, and the same outputs. This reduces duplicate work, prevents version sprawl, and makes handoffs seamless. If you're working on a campaign brief, for example, you can draft it with Claude, store the artifact in the project, invite feedback in the same thread, and keep all revisions together. A few practical tips as you go. Add a short description in the first message of a project chat to explain its purpose. Title chats clearly so they're easy to scan, and periodically archive old items to keep the space tidy. With these habits, projects becomes your team's source of truth. That's it. You've set up a project, organized your work, invited collaborators, and created a shared, efficient workspace in Claude.